Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm here with my brand new Tcl 10L, and in this video I will be taking a look at some of the camera settings and features on this budget device. Okay, so on the back of the device it has 4 cameras. So the main shooter is a 48 megapixel camera, and it also has a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it also has an 8 megapixel wide lens camera, and also another 2 megapixel camera there. It also has dual LED flash as well. And on the front here it has a front facing 16 megapixel selfie camera. Okay, so we're just going to go through some of the camera settings and features. So let me just launch the camera there. Okay, so this is the camera's layout. Okay, so here in the top left hand corner, see if I can hold it like this. Hold on. Okay, so here in the top left hand corner, we have the filter options. So these are all the different filters. And then below that, we have the flash options. So we have flash off at the moment, but you can select auto, or you can turn it on. And then below that we have the timer. So this is useful for taking selfies. You can just select whenever you want the picture to be taken. So we have 8 seconds, 5 seconds and 2 seconds. And then below that we have HDR. So we have auto HDR, HDR, or we can turn off HDR. So it's currently off at the moment, but if you want to turn it on, just select that option there. And then below that we have the different aspect ratios. So it's currently on full screen, but we have the 1:1 option, 16:9, 4:3, or full screen. And then below that there we have the settings option. Okay, so we have the photo size option here. So 48 megapixel, 14:3 high pixel. We have that option there. We have the 12 megapixel option, 14:3, 9 megapixel option, 1:1, 8 megapixel, 16:9, or 7 megapixel full screen. And then we have the video options, video quality. So we have 4K 16:9 at 30 FPS. And I must say this device does record good 4K video. I will leave a link to my video showing you how well it records video in 4K. I'll leave that in the description down below. Be sure to watch that video. And then below that we have 1080p 16:9 at 30 FPS, 720p 16:9 at 30 FPS, and 480p 4:3 at 30 FPS. And then we have the video stabilization EIS option there, intelligence features, AI camera, calorie detection, AI composition. And then below that we have general volume button function. If you select this option here, we have shutter, zoom and volume. Below that we have touch to capture, grid, storage, and here we have the different storage options. So if you want your pictures and videos to be saved to your SD card, you can just select this option here, or if you prefer the pictures and videos to be saved to your internal storage, you just select this option there. So we have save location information, shutter sound. So if you want a shutter sound on your pictures, every time you take a picture you hear a little sound, you just select this option. If you don't want the shutter sound, you just turn it off simply by adjusting the toggle there. And then we have the watermark option. So every time you take a picture, you will see a TCL logo watermark on each picture. If you don't want that, you just keep this off. But if you want the TCL watermark on each picture or video recording, just turn that on. I like to have it off. And then we have the reset settings option. So if you've been playing about with the camera settings and you've made some type of mistake with the settings and you don't like it and you want to put everything back to its default, you just select the reset settings option there. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the device. Okay, so here we have the digital zoom option. And we have a little toggle there. That you can adjust. Beside that, we have this other option. Okay, so now we have down here at the bottom, we have more option. And we get slow motion video, stop motion, light trace, pano, and high pixel. Then we have auto beside it, and we also have the video mode options, portrait, super macro, and pro mode. Okay, so pro mode, we have ISO auto, and here you can just have a little tinker with the settings here, and you can adjust it to your liking. And then we have these different auto modes here, white balance and all that good stuff. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you all some of the settings and the camera features on the Tcl 10L. Like I said, be sure to watch my videos showing you the camera test and pictures. I will leave a link to those videos in the description down below. Guys, this device is an amazing device for £200, trust me. If you buy this device, you cannot go wrong. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, share the video. Let me know if you've got this device, or let me know if you're thinking about getting this device. Let me know what you think of the camera feed. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. It's your boy the Android Doctor once again. I'm out. Deuces.